Hi, I'm Stan with DreamWall here at InfoComm 2026, where we are celebrating our win from InfoComm for Best of InfoComm for our CooLED technology. Our CooLED technology allows us to use substantially less power and produce substantially less heat than our competitors' displays. This 162-inch diagonal 0.9 pixel pitch display typically from other vendors would require two 20-amp circuits and runs quite warm. This one does not run warm at all and only requires one 20-amp circuit. So substantially less power, much less expensive to maintain, obviously, on your monthly electricity bill. And then this is the 216-inch diagonal version of using the same technology, and this one is a 1.25 pixel pitch. Now this one, because of its size, does require two 20-amp circuits, but it's still extremely cool, just barely warm to the touch. Lots of other displays actually become room heaters. These don't. And so, thank you for visiting us. Once again, this is Stan with DreamWall. Please visit our website at www.dreamwall.net. That's dreamwall.net. Thank you.